Hello everyone, my name's Agil Tri QM, and in here I would like to share you about how to make Sabhu grill like in the restaurant at home. Holiday is the moment that everyone has been waiting for. Not only children and even adults are waiting holiday. In Indonesia is being hit by a coronavirus outbreak. Thus, we have to stay at home until this pandemic is over. Even though we are at home, we can still doing something like eating at the restaurant, that is by making a Sabhu grill at home. For the make Sabhu grill, we have to prepare ingredients and tools. For the ingredients, we need sausage, short plate slice with enoki mushroom, lettuce, short plate slice, beef slice, onion, black pepper sauce, barbecue sauce, margarine, and then rice. For the tools, we have this and then Teflon. Actually, we use a grill, but I don't have it, so I use this Teflon. And then stove. Let's make the Sabhu grill. First, turn on the stove. And then pour the margarine. Just little margarine. Heat the margarine. While it, take the beef. First, I use the black pepper sauce. Heat the beef. Add the beef into the black pepper sauce. I need 2. And then, like this. After that, take the beef from sauce and put the beef into the Teflon. Don't forget to flip the beef like this, so that the beef not too overcooked. The beef look is cooked, and I will take the beef into the bowl with rice. The beef, this, and this, sausage, and then beef, and then also onion. So this food is ready to be eaten. So that is how to make the Sabhu grill like in the restaurant at home. Thank you for watching.